The Redcat Valkyrie has been out for about 10 months now, and ever since it came out, I've really wanted one. I picked one up during Black Friday, if you can tell how long ago that was. During Black Friday, this thing was $230, and for a 4S brushless 10 scale monster truck, I thought that was a pretty great deal. You can see some of the specs here on the side. It's got a 1950 kV brushless motor, Mod 1 gearing, 120 amp Hobby Wing ESC. We got a 35 kg hex fly torque servo, durable design, 17 millimeter hex wheels and tires, and of course it's red. That is my favorite color. So let's unbox this thing and I'll show you what it looks like. Ooh, take a look at this. Here it is, guys, the 1/10 scale Redcat Valkyrie. This thing looks even better in person. It's got a bright red body on it, some thick body panels here. This is how it comes exactly out of the box. Does remind me a lot of the Arrma Big Rock. It is that 10 scale size. I want to say this is a little bit shorter than the Big Rock, at least the 3S version. I got rid of mine, so I can't do a side-by-side, but this thing looks really good out of the box. Like I said, 17 mil hex wheels and tires. These have a nice chunky aggressive pattern on it. Nice little square tire here. These things should grip up. They're probably gonna be a little too grippy for asphalt. And on the inside, you can see that super clean setup. Also get your instruction manual here with some cool Valkyrie stickers. I think I'm gonna leave my truck plain. It looks good as is. I threw some of my own stickers on it and I'm just gonna leave it like that. Some other small things that come in the box. We have a remote here. You will need to provide your own AA batteries for it. Looks like it does have plenty of adjustability on here. We got steering trim, throttle trim, steering dual rate, reverse, bind button. Looks like we have a channel 3 on here as well. Not sure what that does, as well as a channel 4 and LED button. I'll have to read the instruction manual for those. This car doesn't come with lights, so I'm not really sure what those will do, but maybe if you want to add some later on, you have that functionality right on the remote. This is our first time running the Valkyrie. Nice thing about it is there's tons of flat body panels, so we should be able to get some nice onboard footage. Got the GNSS GPS on there. Let's give this thing a speed run on 4S. That front end looks like it's dipping a little bit farther than the rear. Ooh, okay. Sounds good. Oh, it's fast. It's real fast. You can see when it gets on 3 wheels, that inside tire balloons. Ooh, it'll flip. This thing is violent. Oh my God, it pulls like crazy. $51 out of the box with a 4S battery. I'm guessing that's what they claim is 50 miles an hour. That thing's pretty awesome. All right, let's get them dirty. Woo! All right, so we're both running 4S. Ready? First backflip. Woo-hoo-hoo! Oh, little delay. Woo! I landed like right there. Oh!
I could probably hit backflip.
this thing is honestly pretty good. Good air control. Nice. Oh, you landed. But your car's more race ready. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, let's do like 2 laps. Ah. Oh. There you go. Jake! 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 Come on!
Nothing's broken.
Too early.
I hit it when it was rewriting, but I guess I hit it too fast.
Yeah. All right, last attempt.
Unless I get it.
All right, we did it. Don't blow.
I just hit myself in the shin with this thing.
Good, you deserve it.
I took a chunk out of it.
So after I stopped recording, of course, that's when something broke, and I'll show you right here. So this is just the regular 17 mil hex that holds that on, and I don't really like the way that these drive shafts are held on. So you can see there, 17 mil, perfectly fine, not stripped out or anything. But instead of just like the pin that goes through the 17 mil hex, they have a screw that goes through the front, and just the head of the screw, let's see if I can focus here, the head of the screw is what holds on the 17 mil hex, and you can see there it's got teeth on it that goes into the shaft like that. What broke while I was bashing is that the head of the screw just sheared directly off, got stuck in there. I had no way of pulling this off and unscrewing the rest of the screw that was now stuck in there. So I had to buy a whole new rear set of drive shafts. But other than that, nothing else broke. I'm not sure if you can convert these to maybe like the Arma setup with the pin through them and whatnot, but kind of a weird design, especially something running 4S with all that power running through it. It's weird because if you land wrong and this all pushes out, the only thing holding that on is just this tiny little screw with some Loctite on it. I put my own Loctite on there, but just be careful because you might need to use some heat to loosen those up in the future. So other than that, really awesome truck. I'm definitely going to bring this out to probably one of the bash days at RCMadness, but no complaints overall. This thing was bulletproof through and through, besides that one little issue. Changed the battery to an EC5 connector so I can run most of my other batteries that I'm running, but everything is good to go. This thing is pretty much bulletproof, no issues. Even let Jake run it, and you saw that pretty bad crash. Oh, one other thing that broke, the front two body post kind of flat areas that these hang onto on the body, those kind of snapped. One of those bad landings probably did that, but again, awesome truck. If you can find one of these on eBay or somewhere, even at the new price of about $300, you're kind of running into that Arma territory, and it's kind of just personal preference. I had no issues with this. I've had no issues with the Arma vehicles, so good job, Redcat. Next up on my basher list from Redcat is the OG Kaiju. So got one in the garage, going to pull that one out and bring it to RCMadness and definitely give that thing a rip. So thanks again for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Peace.